Google just leaked an AI agent that's about to replace entire engineering teams, and you have exactly 17 days to position yourself before this goes mainstream at Google I/O on May 19th. The codename is Jitro. It is the next evolution of Google's autonomous coding tool, Jules, and it is built around a completely new model called KPI-driven automation. Translation, you don't tell it what to do anymore, you tell it what outcome you want, and it figures out every single step on its own. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn this leak into a side hustle that pays between $1,500 and $3,000 per client this month before the rest of the internet catches up. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. We drop alpha on the AI economy every single weekday, and this Jitro story is exactly the kind of thing that disappears in a week and never comes back. Okay, here's what actually happened. Last Friday, internal Google details about Jitro started leaking across developer Twitter and YouTube. The video that broke it crossed 800,000 views in 36 hours. Jitro is being designed to do something no commercial AI agent has ever done at scale. Instead of you typing a prompt, waiting for a response, reviewing it, and prompting again, you set a measurable goal. Reduce errors by 30%, improve test coverage, lift conversion by 15 points. Then Jitro builds the plan, executes the work asynchronously in the background, checks its own outputs, and only comes back to you with the result. It is goal-driven, it has persistent workspace memory so it doesn't forget your project between sessions, and during its private beta, the previous version called Jules already shipped over 140,000 code improvements that real engineers approved. This matters because Google is dropping it at I/O 2026 on May 19th, which is now confirmed as their biggest agentic coding announcement of the year. Anthropic has Claude Code, OpenAI has Codex, xAI has Grok 4.20. Google's response is not another model, it is a fundamentally new way to use models. They are skipping the prompt war entirely and going straight to the outcome economy.
Here's why this is a 5-alarm opportunity for everyone watching right now. The shift from prompt-based AI to outcome-based AI is the same magnitude as the shift from typing commands into DOS to clicking icons on Windows. Every single person who learned how to write good prompts over the last 2 years is about to find out that their skill is depreciating. The new skill, the one that pays, is what people in the industry are starting to call outcome framing. It is the ability to look at a messy business problem and translate it into a single measurable target an AI agent can chase. Let me give you the exact playbook. Step 1. Open up Jules right now at jules.google.com. It is free. This is the predecessor to Jitro, and it already supports the asynchronous workflow. Spend 2 hours getting comfortable with how to define KPIs for it. Don't write tasks, write targets. Step 2. Identify 3 local businesses or e-commerce stores that have a measurable bottleneck: slow page load, bad email open rates, customer support tickets piling up. These are everywhere. McKinsey's 2025 State of AI report found that 71% of companies are already using generative AI somewhere, but less than 12% have any kind of agent deployed. That gap is your money. Step 3. Build a Jules workflow that targets the KPI. Optimize the page, rewrite the email sequence, triage the ticket queue. Show them a before and after. Step 4. Charge $1,500 to $3,000 for the setup, plus $300 to $500 a month to maintain it. That recurring revenue is what builds an actual business off this trend. Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money right now? I want to hear what's actually working in 2026, not the theory. Now, the second money angle nobody is talking about. When Jitro hits public beta after I/O, every existing prompt engineering Fiverr listing, every prompt course on Udemy, every Notion template store selling prompt libraries, those become almost worthless overnight. But there is a brand new category about to be born: outcome blueprint marketplaces. Imagine a Gumroad page where you sell pre-built KPI templates, SEO outcome blueprint for SaaS startups, conversion outcome blueprint for Shopify stores, customer support outcome blueprint for B2B agencies. These are downloadable, plug-and-play KPI definitions that anyone can drop into Jitro and Jules and get a working agent. The first creators to publish these are going to own the category the way prompt sellers owned 2023.
Here's the daily life hack you can use even if you have zero coding background. Tomorrow morning, take whatever annoying task you do every single day: sorting your inbox, tracking your expenses, following up on cold leads. Write it as a single outcome sentence, not a list of steps, just one outcome. Quote, at the end of every day, my inbox has 0 unread, non-essential emails and a summary of action items in my Notes app, end quote. That single outcome can now be handed to Claude or Jitro the moment it launches. You stop micromanaging AI and start directing it like a senior manager directs a team. That mindset shift is the single biggest predictor of who wins the next 24 months. One more thing. The Google I.O. keynote on May 19th at 10 a.m. Pacific is going to move stocks. Watch Alphabet, watch Salesforce, because their headless agent platform connects directly into this story, and watch the small AI tooling players like Cerebras and Mistral. This is not financial advice. This is just where the smart money is positioned. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. And tomorrow we're breaking down exactly how to clone the Jitro architecture using free open source agents you can run on your laptop right now. See you tomorrow.